Hi everyone. Today in this Excel video we are going to understand the 8 powerful Excel functions in one video. Okay, and here you can see the list of our the two rows, edge stack, v stack, rep rows, rep calls, choose rows. And it looks similarly but little difference. Okay, before the start the function to understand we need to clean this data, and most of time I created this data sample data from the chat gpt and just type the prompt and get the sample data, just copy and the paste in excel sheet. But with this data I can't do the practice with this data, so for this we need to clean. For we use the text split function. How to use, I show you. Add the column, blank column. Okay, and the type the function the text split function. Select the text comma, and here type the quotation, copy the sign which we used here in data. You can see this sign, double quotation, bracket close, and hit enter. And here you can see the our first data is here. Now the simply is drag little bit, we need to more the drag. Okay, so our data is clean almost, but the problem is that we can't do the anything with this because the function is also there, still is there. So we need to clean this the function from this. So let's remove the useless row, and the for you this data convert into value. So simply select this. Okay, completely select Ctrl plus C and add the blank sheet and Ctrl Shift V, and here you can see the our data is clean. You can see the data is convert into the value. Okay, now the if you can see the error, so we can remove. So simply select the again this data. Okay, and here you can see the arrow, open, drop down, and the ignore error, and Ctrl plus A, Alt H B A for border, Alt H O I adjust the column, and your data is ready. Simply the select and the choose color. I choose the this one, and my sample data is ready. That's it. Okay. So first is the you need to clean the data with the text split function. The first step is clean. Now the rest our the 8 function understand with the example one by one. Okay, so equal two row function, two row function, two row function. So what is the two row? Two row. First understand the what is the vertical and the horizontal. So row is always the horizontal and the column is vertical. Keep remember. So whenever we are talking about the row, so row is horizontal. Keep remember always. Okay. Now the first we type the two row function, and the first argument is the array. So for example, I select this array. Okay, and hit enter. Here you can see that this the table data we convert into the row horizontal. You can see. So this is the row. So two row function work this way. Now the to call, how to work? To call is column, simply array. So again we select this row data and bracket close and hit enter. So you can convert into the this data into the column. Simple. Okay. Now next move the edge stack equal h stack. Edge stack is the horizontal what is horizontal? This row. Okay, row, horizontal row. So select this array. First I select the half table, comma, I select the remaining the next table and hit enter, and you can see this is the edge stack function. So we select the data, column data, and the into the row. We convert into the row. H for row, H for horizontal, H for row. Just remember bus. That's it. Okay. And now let's move the another example, another function vstack. Vstack function says the vertical v for vertical. Vertical is the column, and the column we convert the this first array, the second array, okay, comma, third array. You can understand the table. Okay, you can suppose the table. We select the 1 2 3 table, bracket close and hit enter, and here you can see the we convert the 3 table into the 1 column. This is the super easy. Okay, so we understand the edge stack, v stack, to call, to row. For function is done. Next move the rep rows equal rep rows. So here what we can do, the vector. Vector is the simple is the array. Select this array. So I select this array for okay. But here is the problem is that we use the function is the data not value. So remove this. We can select the data from here this our table for understanding. Simply select this range. Okay, and comma. Here rep count row matlab mean is the horizontal, and how many row how many this table in convert into the row. So I want to this data in split in row 3, bracket close and hit enter, and here you can see that we convert into the column data, your table into the 3 1 2 3. Got it? 1 2 3. This is the rep rows, and the word is the says the rep calls. Vector, again we select the our vector simple array. I select this array. Okay, and how many columns you are split this data. I want to convert into the 3 and hit enter and see. So I convert into the 3. 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the rep calls, and this is the rep rows, and this is the your 2 row, this is the v stack, this is the edge stack. Okay, and this is your the 2 call. Okay, let's move the another remaining 2 functions. Simply we add the space, control shift plus plus, so we can understand the simple way. Equal choose calls array. So here array, we select the array here. Simply select this array. So keep remember, I choose the 16th row till 16th. Okay, comma, column number. So what I need to column? So I need column. So what we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I want to employee name. So it's the second comma, and I want to sales column only. So 7 and bracket close and hit enter. That's it. Your data is ready according your manager. Done. Okay. So this is the choose call and the choose rows. Again the select this array. Okay. Here you can see the 16th. Okay. Comma. Row number. So I want to row number is the, for example, I want to row number the 7, 7, 14 and bracket close and hit enter. So here you can see 6 and 13 are different because we already add the serial number, but the function is the taking from the this parameter. Okay, so the little difference we can see, but your data is perfectly here. So 7 and we choose the 14. So 14 Thomas, and you can see. So choose means simply with choice we particular data pick with this function. One more thing I show you, equal choose rows. Select the array again. We select the array. Same the 16 till 16. Okay. Comma. Row number. So I want to row for example the 3 comma 3 9 and 12 comma minus 1. Minus 1, what we do, I show you. See, so what we choose here, here we choose the 3 9 12. So here you can see the 3 Jane. 9, here you can see the 9 is the Linda. So here you can see, and the 12 is the James. So you can see the minus 1 was, where is minus 1? So your minus 1 is here, last row. You can see last row. If I change the here, then here I change the, for example, 10. So you can see that your data is changed. So 10, I choose minus 10. So here when I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Mary, so here Mary, you can see. So you can choose according your requirement with this way. It's really super way. The same thing you can do the with the choose calls. One more thing last thing I want to share, the I show you in this function same. Okay, I give the space here, Control Shift, and here we select the 2 and the 7 comma. If I again take the column number second, what will happen? So you can repeat here, you can copy this with this way. So this is really super way. You can choose according your particular column data, particular row data with this function. So in this video we understand the text split function for data cleaning, two row, two calls, age stack, v stack, rep rows, rep calls, choose rows, choose calls. So almost we understand the 9 function with example, with easy examples, so we can understand how to use and where to use in Excel data. So I hope this video is helps, and that's it about this video. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. Stay touch. See you in next video.